Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Another walk past Tommy's now and up by the Rio Park. There we go. There's a little Spanish bar there, it's usually open. Not open today. Usually it's quite packed in there. Just seeing the distance now, Tommy's bar coming up. Just going to step out in the road so you get a better view. Winds everywhere in Spain. You've never been to Tommy's? It's cabaret and bingo. Usually get your first lot of cabaret, and they do the bingo. Then they do cabaret, 2 more cabarets on the night. And usually finish about midnight. Some good nights in there. It's usually a good price on the drink. It's usually 2 for 1 all night, so you end up having a few lagers in there. Be nice to see it back open again now. Just going to have a walk along to the end of the road, show the main road. These apartments don't look like they're going to be open very soon. Been like this for about 12 months now. I think when they first happened they thought they were going to reopen. Like everybody else now, they're just waiting for people to start booking again and then get back open. Nice secluded pool on this one. Just behind that gate there. Well hidden from the road. Okay, we're going to have a look at the Rio Park now. There's the back entrance where all your goods go in, all the food and whatnot. The restaurant being on the bottom level, of course. There's the apartments, refurbished about 3 years ago I think now. They did need it, guys. When we stopped there it was pretty rough. But they just started the refurbishment then. Well, you did get one of the older rooms. There's the entertainment area. When that gets packed, it is a bit tight in there. You get squashed in a bit. I think there's just too many tables in there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to buy me a beer, there's PayPal link underneath. I think that's sort of the staff entrance there. Into the rear park. Good thing about the rear park though, it does let you charge your scooter there. If you need a mobility scooter, got plenty of charging down there. We are going to do a video once we get sorted out of where you can use these mobility scooters now, which hotels that accept them and which won't. Not all will now. There you go guys, apartments are still being done up at the moment. I don't know exactly what they're doing to them. I think there's a bit of painting going on somewhere. They're doing something on the outside as well. Okay guys, we're going to carry on down the road on this video. Coming into view now is the Moby Dick apartments. Just over the road there. You can see the bar area. I'll zoom in a minute. There you go. Lovely pool in there as well. We nearly stopped there a few times, wasn't quite sure where it was, so unfortunately we went back where we know. So can't really say what the apartments are like. We'll carry on along the road now. There's a little cafe bar up on the end of the road. Seems quite busy most times when we come past. The road at the end will take you down towards the beach. And the other way takes you out of Benidorm. There's a cafe bar up on the corner there. Can't remember what it's called offhand. Well, a couple of good restaurants down there as well. Chinese, I think, and Indian. Okay guys, coming to the end of the video now. If you want to see more from Benidorm, click on the one that's on the screen now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.